So this is the pins. Here is jack where you are going to fix the pins for the CNC machine. What I show you, which I order online, it is like this switch, and this pin is 3 pin. So it is not going to fix here because our pin is 2 pin. So for that we need to choose this kind of jack, this kind of pin. This is 2 pin XH 2.54. this is going to fix properly. You can see here this cut 2 lines, you can see 2 arrow, and the same thing if you can see here the cut is this side. So when you fix, it will lock here. Now you can see it is locked. So this is the proper pin we need to choose. For that, some open pins also available, that if it is you have that you need to solder yourself. This is the pins, and here this you insert inside and put the cable yourself and solder yourself. One option is available like this, and other is if you get ready-made with the cable like this, that is also very good. So this we are going to fix. If you buy online, be careful. One is this is open. If anything metal on it, it will mislead. It will sometimes close contact, open contact, and also you are not fixed. It is having 3 pin, and my machine is 2 pin. Before order, just choose which one you need. So now we'll going to check where we can fix the switches.